Hello and welcome. Now, for some of y'all, it's going to be probably one of the greatest tools you could ever have. I kind of feel that because when I saw this, I was like, I have to have this because it's going to come in handy. And not just for mechanics. For DIYers, stuff like that. It's going to go working on your home, cars, etc. All kinds of stuff. I'm sure you can find other uses for it, but for me, I'm thinking about when I'm working on stuff. Because I only have two hands. And usually I can't hold a flashlight and work sometimes, one-handed. Especially if I'm already holding the camera, then I need a third hand or a fourth hand, but whatever. I don't have someone to hold the flashlight and yell at. So I'm left with using little headlamps. And most headlamps I buy suck. Then I have to worry about batteries. Well, Liteband reached out to me, and I saw this Pro 1500, and I'm like, I have to try that. Why? Because it looks really good, honestly. You can see the nice wide strip of LEDs. And these are 1,000 lumens, and that's 500. And it has 6 different settings, and it has high, medium, low, all that good stuff. A lot of settings. It has a rechargeable battery, which is great because I get tired of messing with batteries in the other one. And on the website that says it will handle low light setting for 32 hours. And is weather resistance to 1px5. Hey, that's good. Now they do have other versions of this. But I thought the 1500 was going to suit me just fine. This way, while I'm working under the hood of the car in the dark, I can actually do it now, honestly, and actually probably see, because I guarantee you this is going to light up pretty well, and we're going to find out. And especially when we're working under here, I can see that coming in real handy, because you're going to be looking at what you need to look at, the light's going to be shining right there, and both your hands are going to be free to do what you need to do under the dash, so that's going to be great. Now I am going to put a promo code down below and some links for the Liteband lights. Use them if you like them. If you end up liking this, go ahead and use them, because I think you're really going to like what you see, because I have a good feeling about these. So I'm going to wait till it's dark now and really try it out. Alright, it is pretty dark, and alright, I would not be able to see working on this thing, so let's turn the light on. Oh yeah, no, this is great. This is great. Yeah, I'm digging this because this lights up amazingly. And I mean, I can see. This is a game changer right here. This will make working on cars in the dark so much easier. Honestly, I'm seeing things I didn't see in the daylight. And you can't beat this. This is great. I absolutely love this. Wow. Yeah. This is great. Oh, no, this is great. Oh, I can see it all. Wow. I could have used one of these 20 years ago. Now I'm really having fun with this, and I'm sitting further away from the car this time. Yeah, that light travels pretty good too. I think it said 300 feet. I do believe it. Because it's shining pretty far off back there that I can see. Alright, so we're up in the attic just because I thought about it, and you know what? The attic is, well, completely dark. So let's see what happens. Holy. All right. Jesus Christ. I really wish I've had this sooner, because as many times I've come up here to do stuff, this would have helped. A little further back so there's no glare. Wow, that's... Alright, let your eyes focus. Now let's turn it back on real quick. Wow. The red is cool. That is something. Woo. Ugh. Yeah. My other headlamp, I couldn't even see the end. Alright, so there it is. The camera, being a camera, doesn't get the full effect, but I think y'all get the idea. It's probably about 20% brighter in person than it is on camera from looking at it. And I'm gonna say, after using this, even off camera for a while, I'm really digging this light. I love it. It's gonna replace all my other headlamps. And I do have some other LED headlamps, but most headlamps, like you see, are the round center here. Mine has multiple LEDs in it, one of my better ones. But it's still the focus beam, and you're having to constantly turn your head and look. Now with this wide band right here, it's a game changer. I absolutely love it because I can sit here, turn it on, of course high, medium, low, whatever you need. I don't have to have the light in the center. That wide beam alone is lighting up the area where I can just glance, look around with my eyes, instead of constantly having to turn my head to light up what I'm trying to see or trying to find. This gives you a much wider range of light, which is a huge benefit, and obviously it's going to be a game changer for a lot of people. Plus, couple that with this rechargeable battery. All mine are disposable batteries, and nowadays most people don't use disposable batteries because everything's about rechargeable. So having to make sure I have disposable batteries to use, it's kind of becoming a hassle. So the rechargeable battery is a great addition as well. And I thought it was going to weigh me down, but wearing it, I didn't really notice it at all. It's actually comfortable right there because there's some, the way that's set up, I didn't really notice it. And it didn't weigh me down. Yeah, this light right here, I love it. I'm never going to use my other headlamps again because this right here, it does everything I need it to and more. So remember, got the promo code and the links down below. Check it out if you want to try it out. They have other models to choose from as well as colors. So check it out. You're not going to be disappointed. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching.